Hello everyone. Today our topic is how to insert operation in BST, binary search tree. Earlier we discussed a traversing of BST, pre-order, in-order and post-order. After that, the second operation is insertion in binary search tree. Suppose the following 6 numbers are inserted in order into the empty BST. It means BST is a short name of binary search tree. You also donated it or write as BST. Here we have a 6 numbers. First is 40, second is 60, 55, 33, 55 and 11. First we inserted the root, always inserted and compare with roots left or right nodes when we inserted. Remember, compare with root when we insert left or right node of tree. And the second thing you have to remember, when we inserted left node in tree is always less than root. Suppose we have 11 in root and left root always is less than root. When we inserted right node, it's always greater than of root. It means it may be 20 or more. And after that, when we inserted in this area, this is also called a left root, but this is called right. It means it is 90 because when we compare with a left node of 19, it is less than, and when we inserted it is greater than of this root because it is a left node, and when we inserted in this it is always less than of root. Okay, now we insert a given example. First we insert a root. Step second, insert root, and we always insert left or right node. The second node there given is 60. Okay, so earlier we discussed, if root is less than right node, so it will be inserted in right node, right? It is a greater than root. If it is less than, we inserted a left node. The step 3, 40 and 60 we insert. The second is 50, and if we inserted in this node, it is a greater than 40, so we can't insert in this area. So we have checked the right node, and when we compare, it is less than, right? The 50 is less than the 60, so we insert in a left node of 60. Okay, so this is a right condition. The next item is 33. So step 4, we insert 40, we insert 60, we insert 50. The items are and 11. Now turn 33, where we insert and when we compare with root is less than of root, and if we have or compare, so it is eligible to enter or inserted 33 in a left node. When we compare in this is already inserted. This next node is 55, and the 55 inserted in, when we saw in this node, okay, 55 we have insert in this root, but it is a greater than 40 because these are left node subtree. Okay, so we have to check the right node area. So 60 is inserted, is a less than. Okay, so 50 is inserted is a less than of 55. 60 is a greater than, and we have to insert a 55 in a right node, because in right node we insert large value, okay, and left node we insert less value or less data element. The last is 11th node inserted in step 5, 60, 55 and 55, 33, and it is a less than of left node, so we have insert in this area. So this is operation of insertion in BST. Okay guys, so this is an example we discuss in this video, how to insert data elements using a draw a binary search tree, and we follow two rules. Always compare with root, first rule. The third rule, the less value is entered into left node and greater values entered in the right node. Thank you students.